Talking about it is, what does Hollywood really want? They want a film. They want you to take the risk. See, you make a good film, and they can make all the money off of it, because so we decided, if we're really going to do this, we're going to do it. We're going to go ahead and do it ourselves. The Rangers are basically, we kind of call them the guardians of the realm. And so they're kind of out there in the wilderness protecting the good people of the kingdom of Yggdrasil. If you look at Lord of the Rings, you kind of have that first scene where you meet Strider or Aragorn. He's kind of sitting in the pub smoking his pipe, and that was kind of our inspiration. We wanted to find out about that person, not just the one who goes on to be king, but what are the Rangers before that? Our main character is Wolf. He's the head of a team of Rangers. They encounter some evil, that is starting to take over their world. They don't quite know what it is, but they know that things aren't right. And they're kind of the people on the fringes. Can they save their world? Can they protect their world? I think any good fantasy is going to kind of hopefully kind of point towards that something beyond itself. And that's also a very Tolkien-esque thing. He talks about the catastrophe, the good catastrophe, the joyous turn, or the looking and you read something, but there's more to it than what's there. It kind of lifts up the veil a little bit to the higher moral truths.